What are you doing?
Making a pickup truck.
Out of your...
My Charger.
And currently you are?
Cutting the roof halfway across so I can have a little bit of a cab on there.
Nice.
Ready?
Pete, have you done this before?
I'm going to stand where you're standing. We might have done this a time or two. Guys, now we're removing the trunk lid. We're doing it the easy way because I'm kind of lazy. Beautiful. Now we need to cut along the back of the roof line into the car. So I got to put my long blade on my Sawzall to make it all the way through there because it's pretty thick.
Yep. Did it break?
Yep.
What happened?
I broke the saw blade.
Where is the blade? Oh no!
I gotta get a new blade. We got a new blade!
Uh-oh.
I need another one.
What's that, Pete?
That's
A
a baby Sawzall.
It's a baby one.
Baby.
PPE, apparently.
Oh, you might have broke it. Broke the Sawzall?
Mine broke.
What happened, Pete?
I broke my Sawzall.
We are ripping the roof off from this car. They're gonna make a huge mess.
We got super lazy.
Pete? Pete, what happened?
I think it broke. This is exactly what it's supposed to look like at this stage. Sawzall number 3. All we have left is the trunk support, and we almost have a pickup truck.
Protective gloves.
Protective, safety first.
Broken. Let's see. Oh no, Pete, but that was Sawzall number
5.
5.
We should have bought more blades.
If anyone wants to send Pete blades, his address is...
Found the big red one.
Oh wait, yeah, tell me. Hold on, hold on. It's not ready. My camera's not working.
Oh no. Big red one.
Wait, it's not working yet. Do it again.
Big red one. Now it looks more like a pickup.
Let's see.
I'm Pete and this is my Ram pickup. Do you think it will do a burnout?
Do I think it will do a burnout?
Yeah.
Pete, what's this?
What would you like me to convert next?
Pete, you're so good.